So I just got a PR package from Abib, and I'm super excited to open this up with you guys and see what I got. So I haven't opened up already, so let's see what I got. So from what I can see, I got a total of 4 items. So the first thing that I got was their PDRN collagen overnight mask, and it is a firming jelly. This is what the packaging looks like on the outside, and all of this is Korean skincare, so I'm really excited about that because I've been trying other Korean skincare and I've been loving it. So oh my god, the packaging is super cute. It is a really nice pink. It comes with this little spatula in there. Okay, it does look very jelly like. It's all over this thing, so I'm gonna put this back close very carefully. Next thing I got was their collagen lip mask, another glazed jelly. I'm so excited about this. Like, I'm doing a whole skincare routine with this. Oh my god, everything is pink. It's super cute. Okay, so this also comes with a little brush tip or something to like help you scoop it up. But look at this, look at the packaging. It's so cute. It's like this little sphere. Spherical.
What's a game sphere?
Only the most sophisticated gaming experience ever created by humans, and it's spherical. Spherical!
If you guys watched Drake and Josh, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, so let's see how this one looks like. Ooh, oh my god, it looks, oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this out. Next thing, oh my god, this one's a little open. I hope it's not damaged or anything. It's kind of like weird right here. But these are their PDRN retinol eye patches. I'm so excited about this one because it has retinol, it has PDRN, and it's gonna help like firm up your under eyes, just get rid of the puffiness and all that stuff. I love anything like that. Okay, well, it doesn't look damaged. Maybe it's just the liquid from in there like oozed out. Let me just clean this up. Let's open this one up. Okay, yeah, it doesn't look damaged. I think it's just the liquid gonna ooze it out because it's still like sealed up. So, okay, this has no smell, but this is what it looks like. They look like little pieces of salmon. It's so funny. It's somewhere stuck on here, but yeah, that's what that looks like. I love me some good skincare stuff, like especially like I said, I like masks, I like little patches you put under your eyes. I like all that stuff. And this one also came with a little scoop to like take out the little patches out. And last but not least, I got some collagen gel mask. It's the Jericho Rose Jelly Collagen Gel Mask, and this is what it looks like. Super excited for this one too. So be ready to see a video of me trying all these things out and giving you guys my honest opinion on these. So let me open this one up. It comes in a set of 4, and this is what it looks like. It says, meet the first moon, renew yourself as you meet Abib. Abib stands for the first month, thriving to aim for the most perfect and purest cosmetics, starting from the very first step of the beauty cycle. Our goal is to help your skin cycle back to its prime natural complexion. So I can't wait for that. So be on the lookout for a whole video using all these products. I will be testing them out and giving you guys my honest opinion. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.